Distribution network tutorial. Open the package and check the fittings. Open the package, take out, and check the lamp body and fittings. Put the battery into the remote control. Press the auto button, check whether light control works well. Distribution network tutorial. Step 1. Turn on the camera switch, then camera indicator will flash rapidly. Step 2. After hearing the voice, please press the reset switch over 5 seconds, then you will hear dong dong dong. Step 3. Connect Wi-Fi with your mobile, and make sure the network signal is good. Step 4. Scan QR code on the operation instruction, and download Ironman in App Store. Step 5. Use the cell phone number or email address to register an account in Ironman. Step 6. Press Add Device and scan QR code on the operation instruction. Step 7. Make sure the Wi-Fi link is on 2.4 GHz frequency signal, then click Next step. Step 8. Connecting. Then the camera is online.